Hey guys, what's up? What's up? How are you? Hope you're feeling good. Hope you have a good day, guys. So, you know what, guys? Now, a lot of people are talking about XYO token. So, now this video is about XYO token. That what is a XYO token, and let me know about XYO token. But guys, before starting this video, I request everybody, those people who's listen my voice in the right now situation, so please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. You can see here, guys, that is the official website of the XYO Foundation. You can see here a blockchain foundation for all. XYO Foundation offers resources to educate individuals, developers, and enterprises who are excited about the possibilities of location-based data network built on shared incentives. So you can see here you can know about more about XYO and details, but in this video I'm talking about short about XYO. You can see here now that is a question. So what is XYO? Use the XYO app, use the XYO community, contribute to XYO. If you have questions about XYO, so please tell me in the comment box. I will try to answer your question in the next video, guys. But in this video we should discuss about XYO. Guys, you know what, XYO is a token in the cryptocurrencies market, and absolutely in the right now situation XYO is a profitable for all of you. If you want to buy XYO, so that is good idea for all of you. If you want to invest, if you have any plan to invest in the cryptocurrencies market, so XYO is a best platform for you to invest now. Let me show you some XYO in the coin market cap. For better understanding, let me show you that it is a profitable. Now you can see here that is the update of XYO, 13% the price positive, and now that is the right now price of XYO in the market, 0.04786 USD dollar. That is the right now price. So if you want to buy, that is the price, and there is a changes. The changes you can see 20% the price pump. Profitable coin. Don't miss this opportunity, guys. That's really profit opportunity with all of you guys. I recommend for you to invest now in XYO coin. Anyways, what do you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about XYO? Also share in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe channel.